think it's really important to use this grouping measurement exercise as a way to introduce students into grouping and how to count by a certain grouped number. So for this one, we're counting by 2. So say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, all the way around, and we get to 26. And I think it's really important to see that this is an evenly distributed way to group this number. So then you can ask students, okay, you have 26 pieces here. What's another way we could group this evenly? And what they can do is they can say, okay, well, we just grouped everything into groups of 2. And it was even. So if we divide 26 by 2, we'll get 13. Because then we can have 2 equal groups of 13. So we'll double click on that, put 13 in, and then we'll let them run around for a little bit. And we'll say red light. And we see that they eventually get into 2 equal groups. But I think it's important for students to use trial and error for those who might not know that 2 times 13 is 26. So what we'd have to do is we'd have to say, okay, well, what does student X think? Student X wants to group it into groups of 5. Let them run around, and we'll red light it. And we'll find that there's that one outlier right here. So we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh, we only have one more. So 25 plus 1 is 26. But that's not an equal group. So this is a great way for students to realize how we can evenly group a number in how many different ways or in no ways at all, depending on if it's a prime number. So if there are 11 little dots running around, we can only make one group of 11 or 11 groups of 1. So I think it's very important for students to begin to learn how to group using this GSP model.